What is up, everybody? We are back with another video, and today we are reviewing the BOYA by MM1. It is a mini microphone, which means it's compact like this. It comes with a shock mount like this. Then it comes with a wind fuzz thing that helps with the wind for outside. It is not a shotgun mic, so it is an all-round one. So if I'm talking like this, it'll capture my voice from back here, capture my voice from anywhere around this. It also comes with a cable, like this. You plug it into right here. The other side of this aux cable and plug it into the aux into your camera. It also sits on top of the camera just like this. So actually, let me go get a camera. This is a Nikon D300. So you can see there is the top right here. So you just take this part right here, this piece, and you slide it on. Just like this. Like that. Then Nikon doesn't have aux cable, but it would usually go on the side like this, and there would be an aux for this to go in. But yeah, so it's very compact and small. It's also similar to the Rode mic, which looks like this. It looks like this. Let focus. It's basically the same. It's basically the same. If you see, if we take this off and out of this, the difference in these two is this one, the Rode, has a little bit better sound quality, but this one is a little bit cheaper, but you really can't tell the difference. This one is, the Rode is more shaped differently, but let's get sound tests of the Rode and the BOYA. So first, let's do the BOYA. Okay, guys, I am talking into the BOYA by MM1 mic. Very good sound quality. If you're into vlogging, I would suggest using the wind thing, the fuzzy thing on top. This is a very good mic for vlogging, especially if you're on a tight budget. But yeah, so let's switch over to the Rode. Okay, guys, this is the Rode, the Micro Mini, I think it's called, but this one is also very good for vlogging. If you want to go outside a lot and there's lots of wind, I still would suggest the wind fuzzy thing on top. But yeah, so there's similar sound quality difference in both the microphones. I still suggest using the Rode, but the BOYA is still a very, 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 very good microphone. I would suggest it for sure for a budget. So yeah, these two mics are very similar in sound quality. The Rode is still better on the better sound quality, but they are the same. They're really hard to determine which one's better. But if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you do. And once you smash that subscribe button, there'll be a bell right next to it. Just click that bell, you'll be notified every single time I upload. But yeah, so that's all for today. So see ya.